What advice would you offer workshops that are doing, say, a fresh fit out? They're starting blank canvas, they're building it all up. Should they choose cordless or air, or is it right job for right application?
Look, it's definitely right job for right application, and I would advise any workshop to make sure you've got the ability to do both. You know, because there are, as it comes back to what it said, there are some jobs great for both applications, but you know, it really comes down to what you want to create as the perfect work environment. The perfect work environment is how to get the job done at the most effective pace so that you get the most
return on investment.
Money in the till.
Yeah, return on investment.
and that's what it's all about. And if money in the till means setting it up the right way, I would be setting it up so that you can use both options from the get-go, because that gives you the best result long term. One of the things that people talk about is airlines and how they work, and they're stiff to get in and out of places. You know, technology in batteries has moved forward. Technology in rubber's moved forward. We now have an airline available to us made from a hybrid material that literally is as flexible as you could possibly imagine, even at minus 20 degrees. So It doesn't matter what the temperature is, where you are, what you're doing, you can get into places with an airline almost as well as you can get in with a cordless.
Yeah, I mean, you only have to go to Bunnings to look at all the water hoses and see the anti-kink, Kevlar,
and that's exactly it.
Else in between. It is an exciting time to be alive with tools right now, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. And it's not just, it's, you know, cordless tools are being, you know, constantly worked on because they are new, and there is an enormous scope to open them up with different options. Obviously, pneumatic being, you know, the best part of 50 plus years old, you know, most of the things we've done have opened up already.
Yeah.
We're at that point now where we are fine-tuning stuff in pneumatics to make it better, whereas in cordless, we're still trying to create the next tool.
Well,